Hey, everybody, welcome to another day of two-step inequalities. I'm sure you guys are all so excited to be working on a Friday. It's going to be great. But the first thing I need to go over with any kind of inequality problem is the warning. Anytime you multiply or divide each side by a negative number, the inequality sign will flip. Okay, so again, if it was eating one side and you divide or multiply by a negative number, it'll start eating the other side instead. So make sure you remember that because that's the big thing. That's the big difference between inequalities and um, equations is that direction aspect of it. It matters. Okay, so let's look at an example to start off with. So I have 60 is greater than or equal to negative 10x minus 10. So just like with any two-step equation, I'm going to get rid of this minus thing here first. So to do that, I'm going to add 10 to each side. Add 10. That gives me 70. It's greater than or equal to negative 10x. Okay, not so tough so far. And then the last thing we need to do is get rid of this negative 10. It's multiplying with the x, so we're going to divide by negative 10. Now we are dividing by a negative number, so warning, we're dividing by a negative number to each side. That means this inequality sign is going to flip around and start eating the other direction. Okay? And then 70 divided by negative 10 is negative 7. And then I just have x over here. And that is my answer, or one of them, right? So that's one answer. The other answer is my number line. So I'm going to draw my number line. I've got negative 7. You can draw the number before and the number after. And then we look at our inequality symbol. If it's got the line underneath, if it's going to be a closed circle or a filled in circle. So at negative 7, we're going to have a filled in circle. If it eats the variable, it's going to go to the right. If it eats the number, it's going to go to the left. This time it's eating the variable, so it's going to go to the right. And that is my other answer. So not too tough so far here, right? Oh, don't want that. If I can move, I want a different pen. Come on, there we go. Okay. Now let's look at our next problem. So this time we're going back to the everybody's favorite party guest, the creeper. I probably just had like 70 teenagers roll their eyes at me. Okay, but anytime you have something dividing the entire problem here, you start by getting rid of him. So since he's dividing, we're going to start by multiplying each side by 3. So multiply by 3, and these are positive numbers, so it doesn't do another inequality symbol. So it cancels out there. I'm left with 6 plus x is less than negative 4 times 3 is negative 12. Okay, then I just have the 6 to get rid of, so it's a positive 6 and it's adding, so I'm going to subtract 6 to each side. Negative 12 minus 6 is negative 18. Now, again, notice I did not change the sign. Subtracting does not do anything to an inequality symbol. So this is my final answer right here. Okay, so that's one answer. Then I do my number line. And I've got negative 18. And again, I can do the number before, which would be negative 19. The number after, which would be negative 17. And then again, I go back and I look at my inequality symbol for what type of circle I'm going to use. It's a regular inequality. There's no line underneath of it, so it's going to be a regular circle. Okay, and then I look at my final answer here. So if it eats the variable, it's going to go to the right. If it eats the number, it's going to go to the left. This time it's eating the number, so it's going to go to the left. And that would be my second answer right there. Okay, again, there's other videos here. If you guys need more help or anything like that, you can look at the videos or you can email your teachers. We're here to help. We love to help. We want to help you guys. And I'll see you out there.